Okay, so parallel lines. Now, we're going to be looking at what happens when a line will cross through them. And what that means is you kind of look at this here. Oh, the two blue lines obviously are parallel. The red line going through them is cutting them, but it's creating a bunch of angle relationships. We looked at this last year toward the very end of the year. I kind of went over it because it was an easy task to discuss. I'm trying to move this out of my way. An easy task to discuss. And more importantly, we had to learn what supplementary and what complementary angles were. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out why I can't mark on this. Oh, the marking is down there. That stinks. Okay. Well, let's just keep looking at it. All right. So, like on this one, I'm just going to. Can I make this? Let's get rid of this garbage. Miss Mills, how do I? Is this the zoom button?
Yes.
But it's not working. Oh, it's too much. A little more. All right, we're just going to do this much. And I'm going to get rid of my big head. Okay, so supplementary angles. Guys, those are when two angles make a 180 degree, just a straight line. Like right here, angle 1 and angle 2. When you put those two angles together, they create a straight line. And you can see that there, okay? We went over that last year. We also went over complementary angles. That's when they form a 90 degree. We talked about how C comes before S in the alphabet and 90 comes before 180 in the number system. And that's kind of how we remember those two things. Keep in mind, though, that any two angles that add up to 180 degrees will get you a supplementary angle relationship, okay? And so we're going to learn a few special rules about these parallel lines being cut by this transversal line right here. And don't let the word transversal scare you. It's just this line right here that's intersecting the other two parallel lines. And it's going to be weird teaching this because it's kind of new, and I'm going to sound weird as I'm doing it because it's been, 7 weeks since we've had an actual lesson. So please forgive me, chat. All right. So since I got to do it this way, those are supplementary. Now, this is where it gets fun, okay? We're going to be talking about corresponding angles, congruent angles, alternate interior, alternate exterior. And all they are just a bunch of vocabulary rules to help you find what each angle can be, okay? What it can be. So let's start with this one. Corresponding angles are the angles which occupy the same position at each intersection where a straight line crosses the two others. So, angle 1 right here corresponds with angle 5 down here, okay? See how they're in the same location on both of the lines. Now, I'm going to mark in blue my other corresponding angles. So I've got angle 2, which is going to correspond with angle 6. I'm going to call on somebody, so be ready for that, though. I want somebody to tell me what corresponds with angle 8. I guess I need that many lines because I could just... So let's see if anybody in chat's got this, and Mateo's already got 4. All right, Mateo, good job. See who's been active in the chat. Oh, birthday boy. Be ready, birthday boy, because you're next. Birthday boy, that leaves angle 7. What does it correspond with? What does it correspond with, birthday boy? Hannah Garrett, you're not the birthday boy. Moana's eating Cheetos. I hope they're flaming hot. All right, so you get the idea. Corresponding angles are really, really easy. And here's the important part about corresponding angles. They are congruent, okay? They are congruent. So angle 8 is the same measurement as angle 4. Angle 1 is the same measurement as angle 5, okay? Angle 2 is the same as angle 6. And angle 7 is the same as angle 3. So that's corresponding. They're just in the same location.